Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to lock a chat on WhatsApp the updated way to keep your conversations private and secure. Whether you're protecting personal messages or simply keeping your chats organized, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do step by step. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app so that the chat lock feature is available. Once you're in, scroll through your chat list and find the conversation you want to lock. Next, tap and hold the chat you wish to protect. Holding it for a moment should highlight the chat and bring up a few icons at the top of the screen. Look up to the top right corner, you'll see 3 small dots. That's the menu button. Go ahead and tap those dots. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Lock Chat. If it's your first time using this feature, WhatsApp might ask for confirmation or prompt you to set up your fingerprint, face unlock, or device password. Don't worry, it's a quick process. Just follow the on-screen steps to confirm, and your chat will be locked immediately. Once it's done, your selected chat will now be moved into a locked section, hidden from the main chat list. To access it later, you'll need to enter your chosen security method fingerprint, Face ID, or password, ensuring only you can open it. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've added an extra layer of privacy to your WhatsApp account. This feature is perfect for keeping personal or confidential conversations out of sight without deleting or archiving them. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Stay tuned for more updates and explore all the new features WhatsApp has been rolling out to make your messaging experience smoother and safer.